Okay, so we're going to do a practice problem. It's going to be multiplying a 3-digit number by a 3-digit number. The problem that we're going to focus on today is 612 times 953. So now we have the problem set up. We're going to go ahead and get started. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to take this first 3 that's right here, and we are going to multiply that times the 2, the 1, and the 6. So 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 6 is 18. We're going to drop a 0, and that's our placeholder, and we're going to move on to the next number. Now we have the 5. 5 times 2 is 10. Carry your 1. 5 times 1 is 5, plus 1 is 6. And 5 times 6 is 30. Now we're going to drop 2 imaginary zeros. Next we have 9 times 2. 9 times 2 is 18. Carry your 1. 9 times 1 is 9, plus 1 equals 10. Carry your 1. And then 9 times 6 is 54, plus 1 is 55. Now we're going to go ahead and add everything up. We got 6 plus 0 plus 0 is 6. 3 plus 0 plus 0 is 3. 8 plus 8 is 16. 16 plus 6 is 22. 22 plus, or I'm sorry, not 22 plus carry your 2. 1 plus 0 plus 0 is 1, plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 5 is 8. And there's nothing left but to drop that 5 down. So the answer to this problem is 583,236. Let's do one more example, and then I'll let you do a practice one on your own. The next one we're going to do is 547, and we're going to times that by 836. Okay, now we got our problem set up. The first thing we do is we'll be multiplying this 6 times 547. So 6 times 7 is 42. Put down your 2, carry your 4. 6 times 4 is 24. 24 plus 4 is 28. And then 6 times 5 is 30. 30 plus 2 is 32. Now we're going to drop down our imaginary 0 and move on. 3 times 7 is 21. 3 times 4 is 12. 12 plus 2 is 14. Carry your 1. 3 times 5 is 15. 15 plus 1 is 16. So we're going to leave that number there. Now we're going to drop our 2 imaginary zeros. 8 times 7 is 56. And put down your 6. Carry your 5. 8 times 4 is 32. 32 plus 5 is 37. And then 8 times 5 is 40, plus 3 is 43. Now we're going to go ahead and add our problem up. 2 plus 0 plus 0 is 2. 8 plus 1 is 9. 6 plus 4 is 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. Carry your 1. 7 plus 6 is 13. 13 plus 3 is 16. And 16 plus 1 is 17. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. And then we just drop our 4. So the answer to this problem is 457,292. Okay, so now I'm going to give you a problem to work on your own. This problem is going to be 234 times 567. All right, go ahead and work out this problem and then submit to me your problem with showing all your work like how I just did, and submit that as a short.